Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a triple Chanel bag unboxing to share with you. I'm so excited. So you can see here that two of them are from the boutique and one is from Fashionphile. So the two from the boutique are from 21P, the collection that I, along with many others, am obsessed with. And then the Fashionphile one is an older bag that I have been hunting for the past 3 years. So I think I'm going to start with the new ones in case that's what you're here to see. Then you don't have to watch the Fashionphile one if you don't want to. The Fashionphile one I did already open just to inspect it. But the other two are true unboxings. So I'm going to start with this one. So this is the one I actually was on my way to pick this up to do curbside pickup because we are still in lockdown here. And so I had purchased this yesterday and then went to pick it up. And then my SA called me when I was on the way to pick it up and said she had the other one for me too. So I was so excited. It worked out well that it came right when I was about to do pick up for another item. So here is the box. You might be able to guess what it is by the size of the box. All right, I'm so excited to see this in person. That's the one thing, is we can't see things in person before we purchase them right now because the stores aren't open. So she sent me lots of pictures and it looked beautiful. Okay, so here's the box. Oh, I'm so excited. 21P is just been so bad. I was supposed to stick to my wish list this year, but it has not happened because of this collection. Okay, here is the dust bag and care booklets there and everything. All right, here we go. To reveal, here is my new Chanel rectangular mini in blue lambskin with rainbow hardware and with like a pinkish purple interior. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I had said no more lambskin bags, but when I saw this, like, look at that hardware. I could not say no to this. It was just way too beautiful. And look at the interior. It's just such a special piece. Wow. Where is this one made? I'm curious. It is made in France. And yeah, what really drew me to this is this hardware in contrast with the color blue and the interior, that pop of, it's like a purplish pink. Not sure how to describe it, but and the chain has the rainbow hardware with the colors of the bag in it, which are blue and pink. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow, it is so pretty, and the lambskin is really, really soft. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Okay. All right, so that's the first item. This one was not on my wish list. I kind of admired it, but didn't think I'd be able to get it. I asked one of my SAs about it, but that boutique had already received theirs and done the draw for it, and it was gone. But my SA at another location texted me yesterday with pictures of it, and I just couldn't say no. So that is the first item. Let me just put that to the side here. Okay. All right, that is the first one. So I'll do the other new one next, and then I'll do the Fashionphile one last. Yeah, so this one was on my wish list, my 2021 wish list, this particular bag. And I have been waiting and waiting for it to come in. I was not convinced I would get it. All right, here we go. I am really excited to see this one in person too. So if you did see my post on Instagram where I posted my Chanel 2021 wish list, which I have totally not stuck to, you would have seen this on it. All right, so here is the best bag to reveal. Oh wow. Okay, here it is. This is the tie-dye Chanel 19 in the small size. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It is even better in person. So, like I said, when I was on my way, we were on our way to pick up the mini, she called me and said that this just arrived. She knew I wanted it, so she then sent me pictures because I can't go in to look at it, and it is even better than in the pictures. It is so pretty. So this is like a combination of purple and turquoise. Purple is my daughter's favorite color and turquoise is mine. So it's a combination of both our favorite colors, and I loved how the hardware is different on this 19. Most 19s have the gold, the brush gold, sorry, the ruthenium, and then the shiny ruthenium. And this one, as you can see, has like blue hardware, green hardware, and then the CC is like this pretty, it's almost like a turquoisey type or blue, light blue type hardware. It's so pretty. Wow, I am so in love with this. It is so beautiful. It was perfect timing that it arrived right when I was on my way to pick up the other bag. Okay, so here's the, oh yeah, and it's got a section that's purple as well. So it does have 3 colors of hardware too. It's just different than the typical Chanel 19 hardware. And this is in calf skin, which my other Chanel 19s are either in lambskin or goat skin. And it does feel a little bit different, not too different, but it feels really nice too. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Wow. Wow. Okay. Anyway, that is the second bag. So yet another bag from 21P. This collection has got to be my favorite collection that Chanel has done ever. Okay, let me put this felt back and then, okay, I have no room here, so let me just clear this away so I can show you the third item. If you're interested in seeing an older item that I had been after for quite some time. Okay. So I will tell the story after I show you what it is. So I already removed the tags because I knew I was going to keep it. It came with the receipt, and I got another Fashionphile calendar, and it came in the Fashionphile dust bag. It was listed as excellent condition, and it came with the Chanel dust bag and authenticity card, which it did. And anyway, I will tell you the story after I show you what it is. So it is the 18S Jungle Stroll messenger bag or flat bag. I can't remember what they called it, in the rose gold color with silver hardware. So it is from 18S, like I said. I tried to get this when 18S came out. I couldn't get it for one reason or another. I don't remember if Toronto didn't order this or if it was sold, but I ended up getting the hobo style jungle stroll in denim, which didn't really work out for me. Just because it was denim, I didn't really, I don't know, it just didn't work out for me, so I sold that. And so ever since then, I was hunting for this one. In 2018, I actually went to New York City, and I was in I think it was the Bloomingdale's Chanel, and they actually had this bag. They had one left, but there was a pretty big scratch on the back of it, and I was really hesitant to buy, to spend that much money on a bag that had a scratch on it. And the essay that was showing it to me was kind of trying to pressure me to buy it, which kind of rubbed me the wrong way. So anyway, I didn't end up buying it, and I have been hunting for one ever since. I've seen the hobo style, which it's similar to the Evelyn. I've seen that pop up on Fashionphile a couple of times, but I specifically wanted this one because it's the flap bag, which I prefer. It's got this really cute little top handle with a classic chain. It's got the CC turn lock. Oh, and this color is almost identical to the 17B rose gold, so it will be a really good match for my 17B wallet. And it has, what I really love about it is it has this soft leather crossbody strap that has, I think, five different lengths you can adjust it to. So it's a top handle crossbody bag, which I love. It has a pretty good sized, here's the dust bag. It has a pretty good sized main compartment. It has another compartment here, slip pocket here, a smaller one here, and then a slip pocket on the back. So a really practical bag in this really pretty rose gold color at a much better price than the classic rose golds from 17B. Those are going for crazy prices right now. So I was really happy when this popped up on Fashionphile the other day. I snatched it up immediately when I saw it because I had been looking for one for so long, and this is in great condition. And it'll be great with my rose gold wallet, like I said. All right, so those are my 3 reveals for today. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think. Which one is your favorite? If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.